Hello everyone, this is the part 3 in my series of revamping an old iOS app. So in this part, I'm going to show you the further progress that I've made in the previous week, what I've done, what issues I have faced, and how now I'm structuring my code. So this is the old UI of the app that I have already created. Um, I'm going to map this code to my Swift UI app. This is for all the users who are not gone through the part 1 and 2 of the series. So basically, this is the basic idea of the app. Here you schedule an activity, give it some values, and then it starts appearing in my activities as well as on the activities that appear on the home page if it is scheduled for today. And then a progress is shown. So basically, this is just a basic layout of the app. This is where I left 4 years back. Now I have changed the UI along with the structure of the code and moved it to Swift UI. So this is my new code. Now I'm playing this code. This is my onboarding screen. If you want to build such an onboarding screen, you can follow the video that I'm going to post in the description box that I've created for a taxi app. I've previously added some of the data to show you how it's going to look like. These are all of the activities that I have scheduled. You have seen here, there's are some of the redundant activities and data, which is I'm going to fix it in the next sprint basically. And this is the calendar. This is a new feature that I have added to show the progress of each day on the calendar. For all the grayed out dates, it is scheduled for all those dates, and the ring around them is going to show us the progress on each of the date, which I am currently showing for the current month only. Here you can see the completed entries. There is a little bit of a problem with the progress view. So this is here you can see that if I have scheduled one activity for Saturday and done it, it is going to show me 100% progress. There is some issue with the loading here, which I'm going to fix. And these are some of the activities. So here I'm scheduling an activity in front of you. So this is basically stargazing, which I'm going to do it in the morning. So this is also a problem. You can obviously select time or restrict time according to the activities. So it is a pending activity, and you are going to see here now that since I have added two activities and done only one, so 50% of the bar is filled on date 9 Saturday. So this is all for this tutorial. If there are any questions, queries, post in the comment section. I'm going to go over the code once I've fixed the major issues. I'm going to add here notifications, the functionality to edit the activities as well as to delete some of the activities and other bug fixes. So this is all. In almost a month, we will hopefully be making it live. So follow along this journey. Thank you for watching.